What's up, all you 67 Nova lovers? Look at this. Look at this motor. Ooh. Ramjet, baby. Gorgeous. Pro Touring 502 Monster EFI 6-speed transmission 373 km. Oh, that's just gorgeous. Wow. Look at this interior. 6-speed, man. Wow. Pro Tour. Nice wheels, nice paint, nice trunk, nice car. Dang. This thing, look at the lights. Even got the LED lighting on his steps over there, power seats. Look at that knob, the Hearst shifter, all the new gauges. Wow, dude, wow. You want to see some more cool Novas? Click the link above. Don't forget to follow. See you on the next Florida Car Show.